हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू द कैरियर एकेडमी। अगर आपको हमारा वीडियो अच्छा लग रहा है तो प्लीज़ लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू आवर चैनल। और किसी को भी अगर कोई डाउट हो तो प्लीज़ फील फ्री टू आस्क इन द कमेंट सेक्शन। So this is your second class of chemistry. In previous class we discussed about matter and its classification, and उसमें मैं एक चीज़ भूल गई थी जो है थी इंटरकन्वर्शन of states। ये मैं भूल गई थी पिछली बार। So we know we have three states, that is solid, liquid and gas. So how these three states converge with each other? So solid, liquid and gas. From solid to liquid, the state of matter where solid changes to liquid is known as fusion, or we can say that melting. Where from liquid to gas, we know that is evaporation. ठीक है। और from solid to gas, we know that is sublimation. Where if from solid to liquid and to gas, we know that here temperature increases. ठीक है। And from gas to liquid, we know that the process is called condensation. ठीक है। From gas to liquid, we know that this is condensation, and from liquid to solid, we know that is freezing. ठीक है। From gas to solid, we know that this is called deposition. Here from gas to solid, the temperature here decreases. ठीक है। This is the interconversion of states. From solid to liquid, we know that by the process of fusion or melting, the state changes from solid to liquid. From liquid to gas by the process of evaporation. From solid state to directly into gas by the process of sublimation. From gas to liquid, it is the process called condensation. From liquid to solid called freezing, and from gas to solid is called deposition. So here is the total interconversion of states. So our next topic is significant figures. So the word significant figure. Significant figure, here we can see that significant means what? Significant means important. Means what? It is important. तो हमको जितने भी सारे important numbers है उनको figure out करना है. So significant figures are the digits in a number that indicates reliability of a measurement. Means the degree of accuracy. We can detect the degree of accuracy by find out the significant figures. So significant figures are the meaningful digits which are known with certainty and plus one which is uncertain. So यहाँ पे क्या है? Let's say कि 9.235. ठीक है। So this is our accurate digit or we can say that certain digits, and one with uncertainty. We can say that this is a doubtful digit. Okay. So here this 9.235, 9.03, this is our accurate digit, and 5 is our uncertainty digit or doubtful digit. Okay. So next we have certain rules. We have certain rules to determine the significant figures. Okay. We have certain rules to determine significant figures. First rule is all non-zero digits are significant. So we can say that all non-zero digits are significant. Let's say the number 235. Here how many significant digits are there? 235. So these three are non-zero digits. So we have three significant figures. So in 235 we have three non-zero digits. So here significant figure, we have three significant figures. We have three significant figures in 2.3594. So here how many significant figures are there? We know that all non-zero digits are significant. So 2, 3, 5, 9, 4. These all are non-zero digits. So non-zero means significant. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 significant digits. Okay. So in second point, all zeros between two significant figures or two non-zero digits are significant. All the zeros between two non-zero, or we can say significant, digits are significant. Let's take examples. 2.039. So here how many significant figures are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 significant figures. Okay. So in 4025, how many significant figures are there? We have 4 significant figures. All the zero between two non-zero digits. So here 4 is non-zero and 2 is non-zero. The zero between 4 and 2 is called significant. So we have 4 significant figures. So in significant figures, the rules are all non-zero digits are significant. So we have 2, 3, 5. So in 2, 3, 5, these all 3 are non-zero digits. So significant figure is 3. In 2.3594, so these all are non-zero digits. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 significant figures. In 400, we have two zeros and 1 non-zero digit. So we have 1 significant figure. Understood? So all second point is all zeros between two non-zero or significant digits are significant. So here as an example 2.039. So here we know that 2 and 3 are non-zero digits. So in between them there is a zero present. So this zero is significant. So 2.039 there are 4 significant figures. So here 4025. So here in between 4 and 2 there is 1 zero present. So this considered to be a significant digit. So there are 4 significant figures. Okay. So the Next point is the zeros placed left to the first non-zero digit are not significant. ठीक है? Let's take example 0.0034. So the zeros placed left to the first non-zero digit. So this is our first non-zero digit placed left. So these zeros we cannot consider them as significant figures. So here we have two significant figures. ठीक है? So in 0.00425 here we have three significant figures. समझ रहे हो? So next point, which is our point 4, the zero placed at the end and or right to a number significant if they are on the right side of a decimal point. The zero placed at the end or right of a number are significant if they are on the right side of a decimal point. So here zero placed at the end or right of a number is significant if they are on the right side of a decimal point. So let's say an example, this is your 3250. So here 0 is placed at the right side of a significant figure. So here we have four significant figures. ठीक है? Another example is 0050. Here how many significant figures is there? Here two significant figures. ठीक है? Let's say 101. How many significant figures are there? We know that this is a non-zero digit, so that means this is significant, and the zero after decimal is considered to be significant. Two significant number and between them all are significant. So we have four significant figures. ठीक है? Next point. All the pure numbers are constants. Here the significant figures are infinite. So in pure number and constant, the significant figure are taken to be infinite. Let's say Avogadro's number. Which is 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. ठीक है? We can tell that how many significant figures are there. This is infinite significant figures. ठीक है? Let's say कि 20 apple. How many significant figures are there in 20 apple? We can say that infinite. Like how? 20 point, we can write 20 as 20.00000 and so on. So we know that after decimal the 0 is considered to be significant, and here it is significant. So in between two significant digits all the figures are taken as significant. So these all are significant. So we can say that in 20 apple there are infinite significant figures. In pi, which is 22/7, how many significant figures are there? So this is a constant which is taken to be infinite significant figure. Okay. So our next point is point number 6, which is known as the exponential terms are not significant. The exponential terms are not significant. We can simply say that the power of 10. We can simply say that the power of 10 is not significant. Okay? So example 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 9. So how many significant figures are there? So this is not considered as significant figure. So these are two non-zero digits, so two significant figures are there. So in 2.005, how many significant figures are there? These are two non-zero digits. This is considered to be a non-significant figure or insignificant figure. This is not considered as significant. So here we have four significant figures. Okay? So these are rules for significant figure or to find out the significant figures. So here are some questions about significant figure. So let us discuss. So how many significant figures are there? All non-zero digits are significant. So we have three non-zero digits. So we have three significant figures. How many significant figures are there? So in between two non-zero digits, all the zeros are significant. So here we have three significant figures. So in after decimal, the zero is considered to be a significant zero. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 significant figures. So here, so before the first significant figure or first non-zero digit, the preceding zeros are considered to be not significant. So here we have 703. So three significant figures. So here 8060. The right to the decimal 0 is considered to be significant. So 8060. Here four significant figures are there. So here the last 0 is taken to be significant, and all the non-zero digits are significant. So in between two significant digits, all the zeros are taken to be a significant figure. So here we can say that this 0, and this 0 is taken to be a significant. So here 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9 significant figures. And here we can say this is a significant figure and this is a significant figure because this is a non-zero digit. Between two significant digits, the zeros are present are taken to be significant. So these are four significant figures. So here this and this, in between these two, all are considered to be significant. So we have 7 significant figures. In this we have only one significant figure. Okay? So here 1, 2, 3. We have 3 significant figures. Here also one significant figure. Here 1 1. This is significant, this is significant. In between them, all are significant. So here we have 4 significant figures. Here 1, this is non-zero, this is non-zero, and this is non-zero. In between two non-zero digits, all zeros are considered to be significant. So we have 4 significant figures. This is not considered as significant. So we have 1 significant figure. This is not considered to be significant. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In between two significant digits, all are taken to be significant. So 5 and 0. And this is 5 significant figures. We have all. These all are significant. So in between them, this is not considered to be significant. So 7 and 9. These are non-zero digits. These are to say significant. And after decimal, the 0 is taken to be a significant figure. So in this we have 3 significant figures. So we have done all the questions here about significant figures. So let's discuss. So about significant figures, we know that all the important digits are significant. So we can say that the significant figure, we can say that equal to the certain digits, or we can say that the accurate digits. Accurate digits plus doubtful digit. 1 doubtful digit. Okay. So next we discussed about this 9.235. These all are accurate digits, whereas the last digit is a doubtful digit. So next we have some rules to define the significant figures. So in rule number 1, all the non-zero digits are significant. So जितने भी non-zero digits है हमारे नंबर में, so वो क्या होंगे, सब significant होंगे. In here 235 we have 3 significant figures. In 2.3594 we have 5 significant figures. In 400 we have 2 zeros. So only 4 is taken to be significant. So we have 1 significant figure. So all the zeros between two non-zeros or significant digits are taken to be significant. So all the zeros in between two significant digits. Let's say the 3, 0, 0, 5. So here 3 and 5 are two non-zero digits, and between them there are 2 zeros present. So all the zeros present in between two non-zero digits are taken to be significant. So here we have 4 significant figures. Okay? So next, the zeros placed left to the first non-zero digit are not significant. So here in 0.0034 our first non-zero digit is 3, where the zeros before the first non-zero digit are not significant. So these are not significant. Only these 2 are significant. So 2 significant figures. In here, these all zeros are not taken to be significant. So we have only 4 to 5. So 3 significant figures. The zeros placed at the end or right of a number is significant if they are on the right side of a decimal point. So decimal point के बाद end में जो भी zero होगा वो क्या होगा, significant होगा. ठीक है? So here 0.005259. So after decimal, the end in the end here this 0 is taken as significant, and we know that all non-zero digits are significant. So we have all non-zero digits, and here is a 0. So we have 5 significant figures. Okay. So next, pure numbers and constants here are significant figures. Here the pure number and constant. here the significant figure is infinite. So let's take a constant which is our Avogadro's number Na. So which is 6.023 into 10 to the power 22. We can say that in this we have infinite significant figures. Let's say 20 apple or 7 berry. 7 bananas. We can say that in 7 there is an infinite significant figure. ठीक है जी? So here we can say that there is infinite significant figure. In 20 apple there is infinite significant figure. We can write 20 like 20.000 which is so on till infinite. ठीक है? तो we have infinite significant figure. So pi is considered to be a constant which is 22/7 where we have infinite significant figure. So next point, the exponential terms are not significant, or we can say that the power of 10 is not significant. So here we can write 3.501 into 10 to the power 4. ठीक है? How many significant figures are there? This is not considered as significant. So here we have 4 significant figures. ठीक है? So these are all about significant figures. We discussed about significant figures. So next class we will continue the further.